Hey everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to factory reset your iPhone 17 or iPhone 17 Pro. This process will erase everything on your iPhone and return it to its factory settings. Perfect if you're selling your iPhone or fixing software issues. Let's get started. Before resetting, make sure you back up your data so you don't lose important photos, contacts, or apps. You can do this by going to Settings, tapping on your name from the top, tapping on iCloud, and then selecting iCloud Backup. Then on the next page, tap on Backup Now. Alternatively, you can connect your iPhone to a Mac or PC and use iTunes or Finder to create a full backup. Next, it's a good idea to sign out of your Apple ID. For this, go to Settings, tap on your name, scroll down and tap on Sign Out. This step removes your iCloud account and disables activation lock, which is necessary if you are giving your iPhone to someone else. Now let's perform the factory reset. For this, open the Settings app, tap on General. Here, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. At the bottom, tap on Erase all content and settings. You will now see a confirmation screen explaining what will be erased. Tap Continue, enter your iPhone's passcode, and then tap on Erase iPhone. Your iPhone will now restart and begin wiping all your data. This can take a few minutes depending on how much data you have. Once it's done, your iPhone will restart to the Hello Setup screen, just like when it did when it was brand new. You can now set it up as a new iPhone or restore it from a backup. And that's it. That's how you can factory reset your iPhone 17. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.